Hi, Annette Richmond here. Today, making sure LinkedIn is working for you is essential in every job search. Of course, you need to have a robust, optimized LinkedIn profile, but you also have to make sure that LinkedIn's privacy settings are also working to your best advantage. So, today I want to talk to you about five different areas in three sections of the privacy settings. The first one is how others see your profile and network information. The first one underneath this is edit your public profile. If you're looking for a job, you want to make sure that this is set to public so that people can see your profile even if they're not logged into LinkedIn. So that's very important. You can see it here on my profile that everything is turned on so that even if someone is not logged on to LinkedIn, they can still see my LinkedIn profile. The second part here is Microsoft Word. When Microsoft purchased LinkedIn or acquired LinkedIn, this was a feature that they started, and it was designed to help people write their own LinkedIn profiles. If you have this set to on, it will show other people your profile, which they can use as inspiration. The problem is that people often, will copy profiles that they see instead of just using them to give them ideas. So you want to make sure that this is set to off on yours. Otherwise, you may find out someone else is using your well-written LinkedIn profile for their benefit. The next area is how others see your LinkedIn activity. Now, in this section, we want to just talk about number three, and that's shared job changes, education changes, and work anniversaries on your profile. If you're conducting a confidential job search, you obviously want to keep this off because, as you're updating and changing your resume, maybe something you've been meaning to do for years, but it's been sitting there practically empty. You don't want people in your network who may be colleagues or maybe your boss to see these constant updates that you're making changes to your profile. So it's always a good idea to keep that off and keep the changes that you're making to yourself. The next section is the job search, job seeking preferences. So here you want to obviously let recruiters know that you're open to opportunities. So here you're going to just set this up. Now, mine is set to no because obviously I'm not looking for a job and I don't want to have recruiters contacting me. But if you turn this on, it will alert recruiters that you're open. So if they're searching and your LinkedIn profile comes up in their search, they'll know that yes, you're open to possibly talking to them. Now, LinkedIn does say that they take steps to make sure that no one from your company will find out. I believe they attach numbers to each company. So if you're working for company ABC, then recruiters from ABC, your profile is not going to come up in their recruiter search. So that's very important. It's a great, tool that you can use. The next one is signaling that you're interested to recruiters at your target companies. Again, of course, I have mine off because I'm not looking, but it's really important to set this up, and it works for you in a couple of different ways. What happens is if you go to a company, you have your list of target companies, and you set up job alerts on their page. When recruiters from that company are putting up a new job, they will be alerted that you're interested in working for their company. So it's kind of a win-win situation for both sides. Having worked as a recruiter myself, I will tell you that it's much easier to contact someone is open to looking, and particularly if they're open to working at your company. So these are just a few things to keep in mind. It's a good idea to go to your privacy settings and, look over everything and make sure that it's set to the settings that work best for you. Thank you. Have a great day. And that's it for now.